Do your legs ever feel weak when you get up? Your hands tingle, burn, or go numb, especially at night? If you're over 60, you're not imagining it. These symptoms, tingling hands, numbness, and wobbly legs, are common, but not normal. And here's what most people don't realize. Often it's not just poor circulation or nerve issues, it's lack of collagen in your diet. Yes, collagen. That flexible, rubbery protein that holds your body together, from your joints to your skin, even your blood vessels and nerves. And while many people take collagen powders or pills, there's a much better way to rebuild it naturally, through specific fruits that are packed with the nutrients your body needs to make its own collagen. Today, I'll walk you through 8 fruits you can eat every single day that help strengthen legs and joints, reduce nerve tingling, and rebuild collagen naturally. After age 60, let's get with why collagen matters so much, especially for aging bodies. Why tingling, numbness, and weakness may signal collagen decline. As we age, our collagen production drops by as much as 1% every year after age 25. By the time we hit 60, we've lost nearly a third or more of our natural collagen. When that happens, we don't just get wrinkles, we also feel numbness or pins and needles in the hands and feet, weakness in the legs, joints, or blood flow, especially to the limbs. It's because collagen supports your entire structure. It's your joints, strengthens your blood vessels, protects the myelin sheath around your nerves, and supports smooth, pain-free movement. So if you're struggling with leg fatigue or that odd buzzing in your hands, it could be your body asking for more collagen the natural way. Nature gives us exactly what we need. Let's dive into the first collagen-building fruit that belongs in your kitchen every day. Collagen fruit number 1. Kiwi. Small, fuzzy, and powerful. Kiwi is a collagen hero most people overlook. Here's why it's a must for aging adults. It's loaded with vitamin C, which your body needs to make collagen. It contains antioxidants that fight inflammation and nerve damage. It's rich in fiber, supporting gut health and nutrient absorption. In fact, 1 kiwi contains more vitamin C than an orange, and that vitamin C is the key activator in collagen production. Slice 1 kiwi and enjoy it with breakfast, or blend it into a morning smoothie with leafy greens. Just 1 kiwi a day helps your body rebuild from the inside out, especially if you're feeling stiffness or weakness in your limbs. Collagen fruit number 2. Guava. If you want one of the most collagen-boosting fruits on the planet, guava should be on your list. Guava is incredibly rich in vitamin C lycopene, powerful antioxidant, and zinc, which also supports tissue repair. What makes guava extra special is its ability to protect your skin, joints, and nerves all at once. It helps reduce oxidative stress that damages collagen. It supports circulation, especially to the hands and legs, and it may help reduce that buzzing nerve feeling by strengthening the tissues around your nerves. Eat it raw with a sprinkle of salt or chili powder, or chop it into fruit salad. Even just 1 or 2 guava per day provides over 250% of your vitamin C needs. Fruit number 3. Papaya. Next on the list is a tropical favorite, papaya. Papaya isn't just soothing for digestion, it's also with vitamin C, vitamin A, enzymes like papain that help reduce inflammation. These nutrients work together to boost your natural collagen levels, soothe nerve inflammation, support flexible, pain-free joints. Plus, papaya is very easy in digestion, making it a great option if you have bloating or gut issues. How to enjoy it? Scoop out the seeds, slice it, and enjoy with a squeeze of lime. Blend it into a tropical smoothie with banana and chia seeds. A few bites a day can make a big difference over time. Collagen fruit number 4. Oranges. Citrus. Good old oranges. Maybe you've been eating them for years. But did you know they're one of the best fruits to protect your nerves and joints after 60? Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits contain vitamin C, crucial for collagen synthesis, hesperidin, a natural plant compound that improves blood flow, and potassium, which helps reduce cramping and tingling in the legs. Oranges can also help reduce oxidative stress, which breaks down collagen faster in aging bodies. Have half an orange or a glass of freshly squeezed juice with breakfast, or add lemon to your water throughout the day for a collagen-friendly boost. Collagen fruit number 5. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. If you only make one change today, start eating berries every morning. Why? because berries are nature's anti-aging gems. They're loaded with cyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your nerves, flavonoids, which support blood flow and collagen production. Research shows that people who eat berries regularly have better balance, fewer falls, and stronger cognitive function as they age. Toss a handful of mixed berries into your oatmeal, smoothie, or even on top of Greek yogurt. They taste great and do your body even better. Collagen fruit number 6, pomegranate. This ruby red fruit may be a little messy, but it's worth every drop. Pomegranates contain ellagic acid, a compound shown to protect existing collagen, help your skin stay firm, and reduce inflammation around nerves and joint. They also improve circulation, which helps ease the tingling or numbness many seniors feel in their hands and feet. Sprinkle fresh pomegranate seeds on salads, oatmeal, or even mix into herbal tea. You can also drink a small glass of pure pomegranate juice. No added sugar. Just 1 or 2 cups a day. Support smoother movement and clearer sensation. Collagen fruit number 7, avocado. Yes, avocado is a fruit, and it's one of the best ones you can eat for collagen and joint strength, packed with healthy fats that support skin and nerve tissue, vitamin E, which protects your existing collagen from damage, glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair aging cells. Eating avocado regularly helps your body absorb collagen nutrients better, reduce joint stiffness, and improve nerve comfort and flexibility. Spread avocado on whole grain toast, slice it into a salad with olive oil and lemon. Collagen fruit. Number 8, tomatoes. Last but not least, tomatoes. Yes, they're technically fruits. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which protects skin, and joint C for collagen building, potassium to ease muscle cramps and nerve pain. They also reduce damage from free radicals, which age our tissues faster, especially in hot climates or polluted areas. Eat them raw or cooked, sliced fresh in salads, roasted with herbs, or as part of a tomato-based soup. The cook even increases lycopene absorption. Now you might be wondering, do I need to eat all 8 of these every day? Even just 3 to 4 servings daily can give your body the vitamin C, antioxidants, and healthy fats it needs to rebuild collagen naturally. Try making a collagen fruit bowl. Mix strawberries, kiwi, orange slices, and papaya chunks. Top with pomegranate seeds and a drizzle of lime juice. With a side of avocado toast or a glass of pomegranate juice. It's simple, it's natural, and it's exactly what your body needs to move, feel, and live stronger. After 60, you don't need to rely on powders or pills to feel strong again. Start with nature. Start with your plate, and give your hands, legs, and nerves the nourishment they've been waiting for. Let us know in the comments. Which fruit will you try first this week? If this video helped you, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos made just for aging bodies, backed by science and delivered with care. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Thanks for watching.